Before you begin, get treats and Petosan toothpaste ready. Remember to always use pet-friendly toothpaste, as human toothpaste can be harmful to your pet. Let your dog sniff and taste the toothpaste to get used to the flavor and texture. After all, it's poultry flavor. They'll love it. You can repeat this step several times if needed. To get him prepared, practice touching his teeth and gums with your fingers. Start by gently lifting his lips, holding his jaw with a firm hold, and massaging his gums with your finger. As you're able to touch parts of his mouth without resistance, give him a treat and show positive reinforcement. Your dog will begin to recognize not resisting equates to good behavior. Repeat this process for a few minutes each day until your pet becomes comfortable with this experience. Shorter sessions will have both you and your pet less anxious and produce better results through this part of the course. You'll start to notice progress when your dog begins to lick less and lets you touch areas in and around his mouth without resistance or hesitation. Showing patience is key and will help build trust with your dog and better improve your results. And as always, remember to reward good behavior with treats and positive reinforcement. Next, course number 3, Introduction to the Microfiber Finger Brush.